have a new church school. And then as church school comes to do their tribute, we have a few groups that you give an opportunity to do their presentation. Kiukenda Church, the session, the Katao session, mwe munajiandaa kupeana presentation.
Asante. On behalf of the children, we'll read the tribute. The children could make it to come, but they were there during the memorial. And we will read this tribute like it was them. Please do not see us, see the children. Dear DK, our ever smiling man of God, you made children moment feel like heaven had opened just for us. The moment we saw you, we would race to the front like athletes competing for gold medals, raising our hearts to read and say a memory verse, because with you, every child felt seen, loved, and important. You never greeted us like small people, no. You gave us high fives, sometimes even high tens. You danced with us without embarrassment. You sang our noisy children's songs with little energy and laughter. You laughed at our jokes that honestly were not even funny. Yet sometimes you laughed the loudest. To you, every child mattered. You never got tired of our address question. Reverend DK, does Jonah know how to swim? Reverend DK, will dogs go to heaven? Reverend DK, if Samson was alive, would he be in Lesring? And instead of sending us away, you answered with patience, wisdom, and that unforgettable magic smile. The church has lost a spiritual father, but to us children, we have lost something even deeper, a true reflection of Jesus Christ, the one who said, let the children come to me. You never cared whether our clothes matched, whether our shoes were dusty, whether we came from big homes or the humble homes. You sat on our humble sofas the time you visited each home, and every home like they were royal seats. You shared our food without announcing like many adults. I'm avoiding carbs these days. You ate with joy. You visited our homes without excuses. You spoke to us in a language we understood, and you never assumed us like many adults do. You lowered your voice, changed your tone, bent your knees, and entered our little world just so that we could feel accommodated and loved. And somehow, church became real. Bible stories stopped sounding like stories. Jesus stopped feeling distant. Love stopped being a theory because we saw it in you. You did not have favorite children. Even when some of us came covered with dust, mud, glue, biscuit crumbs, and mysterious Sunday school stains, you still hugged us anyway. DK, you were our humble hero. The DK kind of man of God, the kind who laughs loudly with children. The DK kind of man of God who remembered our names. The DK kind of man of God who visits people quietly. The DK kind of man of God who makes church feel like family. The DK kind of man of God who laughs without pretending. When we grow up, we want to be that kind of Christians, that kind of servants, the kind of human beings. So death came suddenly and broke our little hearts. If we ever knew that you were battling any form of illness, possibly God would have heard our genuine prayers. We, however, choose to celebrate you today because heaven is now louder, warmer, and happier. We know you are smiling there already, and probably you are organizing a children's service in heaven, and you are teaching the angels how to do proper high tens. Thank you for loving us loudly. Heaven is a reality, and one day by God's grace, we shall meet again with love, hugs, songs, and endless high fives. And in presence of our Reverend, please turn to your neighbor as he always did and tell them, how are you, Kiongozi? Everybody say, how are you, Kiongozi? Repeat it in a nice way. How are you, Kiongozi? And once in a while, he would give high 10. Give that other person. How are you, Kiongozi? Thank you and God bless.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wow, that was DK to children in PCEA, Thika Town Parish and beyond. Okay, so we shift to presentations. Kiukenda, where are you? If you'd be happy to save us a minute and two of the stanzas, we would accommodate more to do their presentations. Kiukenda, 2 stanzas, then we will go to the session. Session, we may give them 3 stanzas if the song has 3 stanzas. And then after the session, we will have now the muungano of all the people from Thika Town Parish and Thika community, so that the session is part of them. Thika Town Parish session, nafasi hii ni yenu. I've been put to order. The muungano is the 3 Thika Town Parish choirs. So the PC Thika Town Church, the PCI level, and the PCA Kianjau choirs. That is the muungano. Okay. Thank you, session. We appreciate them as we usher in the muungano choirs. Muungano unganeni. muungano huo unapomaliza muungano mwingine wa Murang'a, muungano wa Murang'a pia utafuata hao, and then the class of 2005. The class of 2005 will also come after the Murang'a muungano.
Mawimbi yapataje kuumiza chombo kile